This video is what you should do if somebody gives you a Visa or Mastercard debit card, kind of like one of those gift cards, but it's a debit card. Let's use, for example, that it's got $30.40, just as an example, kind of like what happened with this situation. Somebody gave me a gift card, and it was a Mastercard debit card worth $30.40. I looked at the card. Now in California has a lot of rules on gift cards and debit cards and monthly charges, but this was a $30.40 debit card, and when you look at the rules or the policies for the card, there was something like a $3 or a $6 a month charge. That's where they get you, because if you don't use the card for a year or however many months, you end up with absolutely no money, because they're siphoning the money out each month as a charge to have the card. So you get one of these cards, you don't know what to do with it. You either have to go in and cash it out right away and get cash. Some people don't. They hold on to the card because they don't know what they're going to do with it, and they go into a market, and every time they use that card, there, I believe, is a charge depending on what state you're in, but they nail you with a monthly charge and they nail you with a transaction charge. So by the time you're done with buying a few things, you have given away a lot of money for absolutely no reason. $30.40 in my case. What do you do with a debit card like that? I'm going to tell you. You see this Amazon gift card. So what you do, you go to your Amazon account and you put, if you have a charge card, if you don't deal with charge cards, then you're not in the 2022 era. I can't help you. Go onto your account where there is payments and credit cards. Add the credit card number from the debit card or the debit card gift card that you were given. Put that thing in. Now, you have a choice when you put in that number. They're going to want the expiration date. They're going to want, is it a debit card or a credit card? My advice to you, I don't know which one you need to use. I think with this one, first I went credit card and then I went debit. I just wanted to get rid of this thing right away. I put in debit card. When you do that, Amazon knows the total that's on that account. They're not going to let you charge more onto the account than you can. And that account is not going to accept the charge. So Visa or Mastercard already knows how much that card is worth. They're not going to let you overdraw on that card. That card has a set amount, and if you want more money in that account, you have to go to Visa or Mastercard, add money to that debit card, gift card, whatever the heck they call it. So what I did with this, I went over to Amazon, I put in the card number and the expiration date, and I listed debit card, and I did $30.40, and then I went to Amazon gift cards, and I clicked on buy a gift card, and they offer you 25, 50, 75, 100, up to like 100,000 or something, or there's a custom. I clicked on custom, I put in $30.40, I went to cash out. It wants to know how you're going to charge it. I went to the gift card, Mastercard, Visa card, gift card number, and made sure it was going to charge this gift card, the Amazon gift card, to that debit card number that I had just put in on my account. And then I bought this gift card. This gift card shows up, and Amazon's not going to allow a charge if you're going over that card's limit. And they know how much is on that debit card. And the Visa, Mastercard people know how much is on that debit card. So you're not going to be able to charge more than what that gift card has already assigned to it. So I did the $30.40, checked out $30.40, did my payment. 2 days later, this card shows up. And what's going to happen now is that card's going to sit on my Amazon account as a possible account that I can use, but I'm never going to use it again. I'm never going to put any money on that account. So what I'll do, I could do it right now, but what I'll do in a couple months is I will just delete that card from my Amazon account for charges. That is how you get rid of a debit card, gift card nightmare when somebody gives it to you, whether it's a friend or somebody as a gift or a city or a state. You can do this. I also did this when I'm not going to mention the finance company, but the finance company, I gave them a bunch of referrals, and each time I gave them a referral, they gave me a $100 gift card. The $100 gift card was a debit card. I don't remember if it was Mastercard or Visa. It was a debit card. And you can either go out and spend $100 and end up with these transaction fees and these monthly fees, or you go on Amazon. You might be able to do this on other sites. Amazon, it's really easy. So I ended up giving them like 10 references. I got $1,000 worth of debit cards, and I went on my Amazon account, put each one of those cards in as a paying account, bought $100 gift cards for myself, and no, correction, I didn't buy $100 gift cards for myself. What I did is, well, I guess I did. I bought $100 gift cards for myself, and then I went in there and cashed out the $100 gift card by putting that number. Once they sent it to me, I put that number, the gift card number, into my account, and I redeemed it, and next thing you know, I've got $1,000 sitting in my Amazon account for me to spend when I want to. I'm not limited to 1 year or 6 months. I don't get a monthly transaction fee. I don't get an individual transaction fee. I don't get a charge. That's how you get around the nightmare of these Mastercard, Visa, debit card, gift cards. Go cash it in, put it on your Amazon account, and I guess that's it. I just wanted to help people out. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share. Chances are nobody's going to watch this video, and if they do, they'll watch 5 seconds of it and shut it off. But I think some people who are going to watch this is going to help out a lot, and that's the goal of it. Thanks for watching, people. Stay well. There it is. Okay, so I was off. It's $32.80, not $32.40. Just applied it to my account, and there you go.